Okay, happy trail walking campers. I'm here at the Serpent Mound near Peebles, Ohio. Since they have a nature walk here, I decided to go ahead and do a video on that to partner with the video for the Serpent Mound. So here we go. Welcome to the jungle. Oh, it smells like pine and cedar in here. So much cooler in the woods. I would say this is a magical day, and I would be right. It's the summer solstice, the longest day, and a lot of people here at the Serpent Mound are gathered to watch the sunset at the mouth of the Serpent. So that's interesting, but I don't think I'm going to stay that late. Interesting, the Serpent Mound is a very unique serpent effigy, big one, and it's a video in its own right on this channel. So if you have time, check it out. In the meantime, I'm glad you joined me for this little nature walk. Beautiful in here. Everything's come up, it's all green, you got sun splashing through, and it's just really nice. The weather's cooperated, other than being a tad hot. But with this canopy, I seem to be pretty good here. Hopefully I'll last the walk. Native peoples have been in this area for many thousands of years. And left their mark in the form of a giant earthen serpent. An egg in its mouth, and its tail is spiraled. The spiral being a very traditional, historic, ancient symbol. I don't see anybody else on this trail. They're all concentrated up on the top where the mound is. But I know some of you guys love taking walks in the woods, and so do I. Just couldn't say no. I was here already. Hopefully it won't be uphill too much. Right now it's downhill. I can take this pretty good. Real nice, I don't know if you call it a creek or a river, it's somewhere in between, down here at the bottom where we're headed. Don't know how long this will take, so I may do some editing, cut some of it out. I know you guys don't want to, sit through a real long trail walk. But leave me some comments about what you think, and maybe what you want to see, that kind of stuff. Appreciate it. Bridge over untroubled water. Don't see many waterfalls. It's not like West Virginia where I'm from, at least not here. Oh look, an arrow, so I don't get confused. That's nice. Here's some birds. Lots of footprints. Apparently there's been several people through here today. Trying to point out some highlights here. Another bridge. Probably 200 people here, but it's all nice and alone on this trail. There's another way down. Should have shortcutted it. Yeah, there's downhill there. Yeah, it looks like it's more like a creek right now. Not a whole lot of water in it. Insects are singing a song. There's a big pretty tree going way up there. I don't think you can tell too much about over the side here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Perfect walk for Saturday evening. Oh, I got some people down in the river. Doesn't surprise me. Watch the footing. Just went through a squishy spot. Whoa. Let me fall over the hill. That'd make a good video, wouldn't it? Hilarious one. Oh, I got some stairs. How you doing, guys? All right. This might be a tributary to the bigger water down here, 'cause I remember it being quite a bit bigger. Oh, hot, steamy evening. Looks like somebody's been weed eating. Bet that was a hot job. Look at this tree all skinned up. Wonder how that happened. Oh, I see water up here. Thing I got my hip waders on. Whoa. Yeah, a little bit squishy here. Hear people up on the hill on the mound. I don't think I should have brought a canoe here. Yeah. Watering hole? No, it's the trail. Can't see it very good because of all this growth, but to my left here is the lookout for the mound. Yeah, I got a little shot here if I can get through this water. Look at this stuff. Yeah, here we go. All right. That's a substantial amount of rockage. Way up there. Yeah, that'd be a hard one to survive. I think I'm going up the hill here. Get off from the river more. Yeah. Yep, we're definitely going uphill. There's more than one trail here. It branches off in a couple of places. Actually, there's some caves here too. Check this out. So that's right under the lookout, close to the head of the serpent. Really beautiful. How long this ridge has been here? Quite some time. Bunch of trees over there. Begin the ascent. This is what keeps old man young right here. Even more rock faces. So that's what's holding all this together, is this rock. Huh. Damp, even in these temperatures. Oh look, a fence. We lose more hikers this way. Yeah, that's weird. So this trail goes up to show some of these smaller caves. Probably from erosion, but a nice home for various woodland critters. Except for the fact that they would be on constant observation on this hike, on this trail. They may not appreciate that, I don't know. If anything like people, some would, some wouldn't. This is nice. I've never taken a whole walk. Oh, down there's the water. I think you can see it in through this. Kind of a bigger river than that little creek we saw. Another bridge. Dragonflies. Or mayflies, I guess they are. Mayflies in June. Maybe nobody told them. Alrighty, going upstairs. Lots of people here today. It's a special day, not just for pagans. You got summer solstice for the Serpent Mound. So many photographers up there. Should be beautiful tonight. It's going to be clear and the alignment should be perfect as it has been for thousands of years. Native Americans building this mound with woven baskets. over and over. Rinse and repeat. All right, I gotta take a short break. Old man gonna have a heart attack. We're almost done though. The trail going back down. Yeah. Opening up to the sunlight again. Nice trail, didn't take that long. Looks like about 15 minutes. Quicker if you're not old like me. All right, coming out on top, the Serpent Mound proper. Hey folks, nice day for a heat stroke. So there's the exit. 15-20 minute hike depending on your condition. It's a nice hike. May not want to come where it's super muddy. Other than that, pretty good. Thanks for coming. See you next time. Signing off.